Hi guys! In this tutorial, we'll explain and demonstrate how to create and use a white spot color and print it on dark colored media. A swatch and layer will be created in InDesign. This will be a one-pass process using only the white spot color. Alright, with our file open, we'll need to create that new swatch. Go to the color palette, click on the top right corner, and select New Swatch. We're going to name that new swatch White with a capital W. That way, the Pro C7100X will know exactly where to print the fifth color white. For color type, select Spot. For color mode, select CMYK. As for the color itself, we're going to select Solid Magenta to easily see where that white fifth color will print. If needed, the density of the white fifth color can be modified using the density slider. We're going to leave it at 100%. Currently in our layout, we have a black media base layer to help illustrate what the design will look like when finished. This won't be printed, and we'll turn it off prior to exporting our PDF. So at this point, we'll apply any areas of the layout that are white with fifth color white, including type and graphics. Any areas that were black will now be given the paper swatch to take on the properties of the media. Now, since the graphic in the background is a linked file and cannot be modified within InDesign, we'll have to modify it in its native program, Illustrator. Now, if your current version of Illustrator does not allow for two white spot colors to be present, just delete one. Since there's no fifth color present in this Illustrator file, we'll need to create one. Go to the color palette, top right corner, and select New Swatch. Again, we'll name the swatch White with a capital W so that the Pro C7100 will know where to apply the fifth color white. For color type, select Spot. For color mode, select CMYK. And just like before, we'll select Solid Magenta to indicate where the fifth color white will print. Now we'll save that file and return to InDesign. Okay, now we have our updated link properly formatted with fifth color white. Prior to saving our PDF, we're going to turn off the black media layer. Again, this was used only for illustration purposes and won't need to be printed. We're going to export our file as a PDF using the preset PDFX4. If needed, document crop marks and bleed settings can be added here. Export your PDF, and you're ready to print.